The intersection that we're approaching is really nice. This is the beginning of the 1800 block, which the 1800 block of Gray Street has some really wonderful examples of architecture from the sort of 1910, 1915, but it also has one of the largest houses on Gray Street. There really is a Monument Avenue house, which is right down here on the corner, which was the first house on Gray Street to ever sell for over $1 million. It's a very large house. And this was years ago. It probably transferred us like 8 or 9 years ago. But really awesome example, great details. This block was the first block of Gray Street that started to be renovated in the early, I'd say in the 90s maybe. Monument Avenue Preservation Society, or MAPS, purchased 3 houses on this block that were rooming houses, and I believe one of them had a fire. And they funded the restoration of those 3 houses, and it sort of primed the pump for a lot of development on Gray Street and helped turn the tide to make it a better neighborhood. And we'll walk through here and see. But the house I was talking about, the large house, is the one on the corner with a pretty porch. And I sold that, and I sold that, and I sold that.